It's a beautiful day out today. So I just thought I would share it. And all I can think of whenever I do winter scenes is how nice it'll be to watch this in July. But yeah, they were out here peaceful and it's a beautiful, gentle snowfall. So I thought we'd just sit and enjoy and see what we could see. Using our fancy new weather station, I knew before I even went outside, the winds were calm and the temps were nice and cool, which are perfect conditions for spending time with the girls. We've had really damp weather lately, but the last 2 days, the temperatures dipped to freezing, so it crunches when they walk on the icy covering the ground. Adriana, on your left, she's a 2-year-old more at you. Usually she's the first one to come over and say hello and allow me to groom her. This white ewe is almost a year old and is pretty shy, so coming up to me to tap noses is really unusual. With shy sheep that make this kind of effort, I just keep my hands to myself and mirror their behavior as much as I can. She'll probably let me freely greet her with my hands after about 3 to 5 more interactions. I always have to make sure my tripod is very secure because they're always curious about new things that are in their pasture. Carmen's the one with a stripe on her nose. And she always tends to find bits of hay on my mittens and my pockets to snack on. Which is fine, but really don't like it when she decides to snack on my hair. This is why my hair is always tucked inside of my hat when I'm out on pasture. I found this structure on the side of the road, and they love to play on it. They always play Queen of the Castle. So standing upright, I'm intimidating, and they hesitate. But the second I crouch down to their height, I'm suddenly their very best friend. I had to stand up though because there's so many of them. They've been known to knock me over when I'm crouched down like that. There are 66 ewes in the flock right now. So we bred 9 adult ewes this fall, so we're looking forward to having lambs mid-April. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you can come back again soon.